Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Cuddy coming with another video for you guys here today. We're still working on my Toyota Camry today, and we're gonna finally vinyl spray my door panel. Yep, we're gonna vinyl spray my door panel today, and I'm very excited about doing that. So stay tuned and just enjoy this video. It's gonna be really fun. So I decided to not use a vinyl wrap. That's the reason why I'm using the vinyl spray, because it's actually it's very easy. I mean, ever since I did it with my roof cover, I thought about it and I said, hey, maybe it's easier for me to just go ahead and use the vinyl spray instead of using the vinyl wrap. So I'm very excited about doing this. So right now I already took out some of my door panels apart. Yes, it was really easy to take out my door panels apart. I'm telling you guys, it was so easy, so easy that a female can actually do this, like you guys can see here. That's a female actually doing this right now, because it was so easy. That's why I really love old school cars, because they made it very easy to work on, and it's not like this new generation car. So right here I'm gonna spray paint this part right here red. I got my door handles right here, which I'm gonna spray paint black, and everything else with the doors I'm gonna spray paint them black. So it's gonna be black and red. Again, it's gonna be really fun to do. So right now what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and show you guys how to actually take my door panels apart, and once I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and go outside and we're gonna vinyl spray paint the door panels, all of them. And guys, if I'm able to do this and it works, then you also at home can be able to do that to your own car. So you can have a first take here by watching this video, and you can actually see if it's going to be possible to do it on your own car. So again, you can watch it here. If it does work with me, then you can do it with your car. It doesn't matter if it's an old school car or a brand new school car, guys. It doesn't matter what car it is. If I can do it with this car, then I can definitely do it with my Nissan, and I can definitely do it with any other cars by using the same vinyl spray. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm excited. I know you guys definitely want to see if this is gonna work. I want to see if this is gonna work as well. So let's go, let's begin.
Je t'ai dit quoi? Je t'ai dit que c'était moi qui m'a.
Alright guys, so it's time to start vinyl spraying this. I actually cleaned them up, by the way. So if you guys look at it, that looks super clean right now. As you guys can see, I have to clean it before I use it. And right here is my vinyl spray that I got, the vinyl spray fabric, different color. There's a lot of them out there, but this is the one that I'm using. So let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this spray paint, guys. So let's do this. Wish me luck. Alright guys, welcome back and take a look at this result right here for my door panels. Wow, I am surprised. I am amazed. Look at that. It looks so nice right now, so good. I'm even scratching the fabric right now, see if the the vinyl spray is gonna peel off. It's not peeling off at all. This vinyl spray is legit. If you want one, please go ahead and cap you one right now because it's really good. And I was able to take all the pieces apart. Again, it made my job so much easier, and I was able to spray paint all the door panel the way I wanted without messing up anything, guys. So now the only thing left for me to do is go ahead and put the pieces back in place, and once we're done with that, we're gonna go ahead and put the door panel back inside of the car. Let's do this, man. I'm excited. Alright guys, so I am done here now. My door panels are complete. All I gotta do is go back to the car and put the doors panels back on the doors, and that's it. And that's gonna be on another video, so do not miss that. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and all that good stuff. Peace.